Can you go? I have to keep up with him. Come on. Come on. I gotta keep up with him. Oh, let me fix your diaper there. Okay, let me fix your diaper. Let me fix your shorts. Judy, you're going too far. Judy, get back here. You're going too far. Get closer to me, okay? Judah, you're going too far, I said. Come on, Kaden. Kaden, you ready? Come on.
There you go.
Okay, come on, keep walking. Come on.
Come here.
Come on, Kaden.
Are you making a video?
No, I'm gonna take a picture of you.
No.
I want you guys get you guys on the same rock so I can take a picture. Kaden, you gonna let me take a picture? Oh, look, ready? Look, Kaden, look, ready, look. Kaden, say cheese. Look at me. Judah, look at me. Look at me. Kaden, look. No, gotta look at Daddy. Say cheese. Look at Daddy, though. Look. No, you gotta look over here. Kaden, you gotta look. Okay. Best as I'm gonna get.
Was that good?
Yeah, you did a really good job.
Hey, Kate, come on. Can you stay over there?
You guys having fun with Daddy?
Yeah, I'm having conflict stuff in my face with it. It's sticky.
No, put that down.
It's too big.
Come on, Kaden, we gotta keep walking.
I'll take these 2 sticks. They're forever.
Hold on. Let me see something. Let me see. Fix your pants. Fix your shorts. I'm trying to fix your shorts. Judah, I asked you to keep walking. Let's go keep walking. Judah.
Kate, hold these. Daddy, hold these. Daddy, hold this too.
No, I'm not holding
Kate,
that.
hold these. No. Kate, take these sticks. Take these sticks. Put them in your backpack. Okay, put them in your backpack. Let's put them in your backpack.
No, don't put sticks in his backpack, please. Oh, no.
No, my zipper.
Okay, come on. Okay, I got it. I got it, baby. Let me see. Daddy got it. Go ahead. Come on, we gotta keep moving. There's mosquitoes over here. There's mosquitoes over here. We gotta keep moving. Come on. There's mosquitoes over here. They're biting. Mosquitoes are biting. Jude, I asked you not to go that far.
Daddy, what's that noise?
Come on, I don't know. Maybe a monster.
It's not a monster.
How you know it's not a monster? How you know it's not a monster? Judah, come over here, please. You're going too far, I said. Judah.
Get out of here, mosquito.
What happened, Kaden?
Mosquitoes trying to bite me. What the heck is a mosquito?
What?
Mosquitoes trying to bite me.
Try to bite you? What'd you do?
It's not even a mosquito.
What'd you do when the mosquito tried to bite you?
It's dead.
What'd you do when the mosquito tried to bite you?
Look, get out there.
Judah, please put that stick down, please. Please put the stick down, I asked you to. Come on, let's go. Let's keep walking. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, we're leaving this spot. Come on, let's go. Keep walking. Come on, let's keep walking. Come on, Judah. What happened to the mosquito?
I'm just going.
What happened, Caden?
Mosquito's dead. Mosquito's dead.
It's dead. What do try to do to you?
Mosquito's dead.
What happened to it?
I don't know.
You having fun, Judah?
Yeah, are you recording this?
I'm not. I'm taking a picture.
I know you are.
Taking a picture.
Let me see. Let me see.
Taking a picture.
Let me see.
Look, I told you. Taking a picture.
Hi, that's recording.
I'm taking a picture of you guys. Well, I'm trying to get a good picture, but you guys won't let me get one good picture.
That's recording.
You guys won't let me get one good picture, though.
Kane, you're not a mindful fire. I did not poop.